Hello my dear student, welcome to online classes. I am Manorma Rani teaching in DAT Gorakhpur and today I am going to teach you class 12th English grammar and the topic is transformation of sentences. Students, today we will learn third part of transformation and in this part today we will know how to transform affirmative sentence into interrogative and negative sentences. Okay student? In English grammar, transformation is an essential section. Transforming sentences into affirmative, negative and interrogative is very important part of transformation. There are a number of rules and regulations of transformation that we must know. But one thing that we must know, at the time of transformation, the structure of sentence are changed, but the meaning of a sentence is not changed. Okay student, so be careful at the time of transformation of sentences and keep every rules and regulations of transformation of sentences in your mind very carefully. Okay students, so let's get start our topic. And first of all, today we will come to know how to transform affirmative sentences into negative sentence. Okay student, but before it we will come to know what is affirmative sentences, what is negative sentences. So student, what is affirmative sentence? Affirmative sentences means the sentence which are used to describe any general action, event, speech or expressions. It means student affirmative. affirmative का मतलब होता है सकारात्मक, अतः उस तरह के वाक्य जिससे हमें साधारण क्रिया, साधारण घटना, साधारण भाषा, साधारण भाव का बोध होता है, जिसमें सकारात्मकता का बोध होता है, ऐसे वाक्यों को हम अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वॉन्ट टू विजिट द प्लेस एज सून एज पॉसिबल. And second is, we got the message a few days ago from John. In both sentences, we find student that in both sentences there is not use of negative words and not use of interrogative marks. So we can say that these are affirmative sentences. Okay student? Now what is negative? Negative sentences means the sentence which are used to express the negative expressions in case of daily events, acts, speeches and so on. Negative means नकारात्मक, अतः उस तरह के वाक्य जिसमें हमें नकारात्मक घटना, स्पीच या इस तरह की इवेंट या भाषा जिसमें नकारात्मकता का बोध होता है, उसे हम नेगेटिव या नकारात्मक वाक्य कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू विजिट द प्लेस एज सून एज पॉसिबल. वी did not get the message a few days ago from John. In both sentences we find don't and didn't. This is the sign of negative sentence. So we can say that these are negative sentence. Okay students? Some few points we must consider when we transform sentences into negative sentence. You cannot change the meaning of sentence. It means student, at the time of transformation affirmative sentences into negative or interrogative, we must know that the meaning of sentence cannot change. Okay student, only don't, doesn't, didn't and not are not the sign of negative sentence. In English, there are other words which can be used to express the negative expressions. It means student, जब भी हम affirmative sentence से negative sentence या interrogative में sentence को change करते हैं तो उस समय इस बात का विशेष ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि हम सब्जेक्ट, सेंटेंस के सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट की दशा को बदल सकते हैं, दिशा को बदल सकते हैं, उसके स्ट्रक्चर में हम चेंज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके अर्थ में हम बदलाव नहीं कर सकते हैं. और केवल डोंट, डजंट, डिडंट एंड नॉट आर द नॉट साइन ऑफ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. केवल ये वर्ड्स ही नेगेटिव सेंटेंस होने के साइन नहीं है. इसके अलावा भी बहुत से ऐसे वर्ड हैं जिससे हम नेगेटिव एक्सप्रेशन को अपने व्यक्त कर सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, rules of transformation from affirmative to negative. So student, how we transform affirmative sentences into negative sentence. Now there are some rules. Look here student, rule 1, sometimes we use not after helping verb and then use opposite of the adjective. For example, we use not after helping verb. In some affirmative sentences, when we change it into negative, then we use not after helping verb and then change adjective opposite. Now here we find beautiful. We change it into negative sentence and make it opposite. Beautiful and ugly is opposite of beautiful. She is a beautiful girl, and when we change it into negative sentence, then we use first of all not after helping verb and then use opposite of beautiful. Now here beautiful and here ugly. Okay, she is a beautiful girl, and in negative sentence she is not an ugly girl. In the same type, second example, he is a poor. So first of all we use not after helping verb and then present opposite of poor. Here opposite poor, rich. He is not rich. Okay, you are tall. So here we find you are and use not after helping verb and then use tall opposite short. You are not short. You are tall, and when we change it into negative sentence, you are not short. Okay, sometimes change into always and not is used after helping verb. In some sentences there is use of sometimes. Sometimes when it present in affirmative sentences, we change it into always in negative sentence. Okay, the gate is sometimes closed, the gate is not always closed. Now here we use not after helping verb and then change sometimes into always. This gate is not always closed. In the same way, second example, he is sometimes late, he is not always late. Now we change sometimes into always and use not after helping verb and make it into, change it into negative sentence. Always is changed into never and opposite word are used. Here we find student that I shall always remember her. When we change it into negative sentence, then always change into never. Okay, and remember change into forget. Forget is opposite of remember, so we use forget here. I shall always remember her, I shall never forget her. Shakespeare will always be remembered. Now we use never instead of always and opposite of remember, forgotten. Shakespeare will never be forgotten. Okay student, got it? Only change into none but or nothing but. Whenever there is use only in affirmative sentence, it change into negative sentence, not one but or nothing but. Okay, only a rich man can buy this house. So we use here no one but. No one but a rich man can buy this house. Now here only change into no one but. Alone Mohan got good marks in the class. Now alone change into no one but. Mohan got good marks in the class. No one but Rohan got good marks in the class. The boy has only 2 tickets. Now only change into nothing but. Now here only change into nothing but or in the no one but. We can use both words, either no one but or nothing but. Okay, the boy has only 2 tickets. The boy has nothing but 2 tickets. Okay, if there is use of adverb to, change it according to the formula of remove to. Student, as we have taught in our previous classes how to remove to and adjust to in the sentences. So we have to follow that formula when we change it into negative sentence. When there is use adverb to and infinite to in affirmative sentence, then we apply remove to formula or method to make it negative sentence. For example, you are too weak to walk. Now here we use you are so. So change into so and weak, and after that we use that conjunction and cannot or could not according to the tense of sentence. Now this sentence is in present tense, so we use here weak, that you cannot walk. Okay, you are too fat to fit. Now we use so instead of to and remove this to and use here that and use subject you and use cannot or could not according to tense of sentence. What is the tense of this sentence? Present tense, so we use here cannot. You are so fat that you cannot sit. Okay, if there is case of superlative or comparative degree, then it is changed into positive degree. Student, because positive degree is always in negative form, so when there is affirmative, use positive or superlative degree or comparative degree, we change it into positive degree in negative form. For example, she is wiser than her sister. Now we change here, her sister is not as wise as she is. This is positive degree. So negative, so comparative and superlative degree change into positive degree when we change it into negative form. Gopal is the tallest boy in the class. Now this is superlative degree and we have to change it into positive degree. So no other boy in the class is as tall as Gopal. Okay. As soon as in affirmative sentences change into no sooner than in negative sentence. So student, when there is use of as soon as in affirmative sentence, we change it to no sooner than in negative sentence. For example, as soon as he heard the news, he wrote to me. We have to apply this formula. First of all, we use no sooner and then helping verb, then subject and main verb, then object, then use and subject, and then use main verb and then object. So how we change it into negative form? As soon as change into no sooner and then use helping word did, because this sentence is in past tense, so we use here did he hear the news, then use then he wrote to me. As soon as change into no sooner, then use helping verb, then the subject verb and use then all student, then verb and up in the class, then other word we use here. Okay, as soon as change into no sooner and then. Transformation of assertive sentences into interrogative sentences. Students, when we change affirmative sentences into interrogative, then we have to follow some rules. Now look here. If the auxiliary or helping verb is not available, then do, does or did is used. Okay? अगर किसी सेंटेंस में हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं आता है और हमें उसे प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य बनाना है, तो हम सेंटेंस के अकॉर्डिंग डू, डज या डिड का यूज करके उसे प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य में बदल देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे प्ले क्रिकेट. नाउ वी फाइंड दैट देयर इज नो हेल्पिंग वर्ब, बट दिस टेंस इज इन simple present. So simple present we use helping verb do or does. They play cricket. Now we use here do because they is plural. Do they not play cricket, and use not and then helping verb and then verb and then object. Manish reads English newspaper. Reads. So we use here does. Does not Manish read English newspaper? Here we have to use not. Does, now here use does Manish not. Does Manish not read English newspaper? Okay, to change into interrogative sentence. Now if we find the word never in assertive sentence, we will write the word ever instead of that word never. It means, student, that never change into ever in interrogative sentences. For example, Ranjana never takes tea. So first of all we have used does interrogative word because this sentence is in present tense. So we use here does Ranjana and never change into ever take tea. Okay. And the next is you can never forget her. Now can is first of all we use here can you never change into ever in interrogative sentence, then forget her. Okay. If we find word nothing in the sentence, we will write the word anything instead of that word nothing. Means, student, nothing change into anything in interrogative sentences. He said nothing about this matter. So first of all we use here did to make it interrogative. Did he say nothing change into anything about this matter? I have nothing to do. First of all use have, you, anything. Nothing change into anything to do. There is nothing better than honesty. Now, is there anything better than honesty? First of all, we use here helping verb, then there, and nothing change into anything. Okay, students? When we find nothing but in sentence affirmative, then we will write anything but or what instead of nothing but. It means, student, when there is present nothing but in affirmative sentences, we change this word into negative sentence anything but or what. For example, our life is nothing but a walking shadow. First of all, we use here helping word. Is our life anything? Nothing change into anything but a walking shadow. In the same way, he gave me nothing but love. We can change this affirmative sentence into negative sentence in two forms. First, did he give me anything but love? Or we use here what instead of anything. What did he give me but love? Okay, so we can make this sentence interrogative form in two method, or we use anything but or use what. Okay, if we find every and noun in the sentence, we will write is there any, then noun, then who and negative word to make it of interrogative sentence. For example, every man wishes to be happy. First of all, we use here helping verb. Is there any man who does not wish to be happy? Now every change into any man, then use who and then use negative form, then wish to be happy. Okay, first of all use is there any, does not wish to be happy. Okay, every mother loves her child. Is there any mother who does not love her? Now we use here is there any man who does not wish to be happy? Is there any mother who does not love her child? And every man wishes to be powerful. Is there any, then use man, then who and does not negative word wish to be powerful, and make this sentence into negative. If we find the word someone, somebody, everyone, no one, nobody, anybody, anyone in affirmative sentence, then we change it into word who in interrogative sentences. For example, everybody has some need, who has no need. Nobody trusts a liar, who trusts a liar. No, everybody change into who, nobody change into who, and no one change into who in the sentence. No one can live alone, who can live alone. Shortcut method of memorize the rule. So student, now look here, this is shortcut, and for this you can memorize how to change assertive sentences into interrogative form. Never change into ever, nothing change into anything, nothing but change into anything but what is there. Every and noun change into any, noun, who and negative. Someone, somebody, everybody, everyone, no one, nobody, anyone and anybody change into who. And no auxiliary or helping verb, here we use do, does and did. Okay, so student, I think that you understood all the steps of transformation of sentence into affirmative, sentence into negative and in interrogative form. This is your homework. You can note down this or take a screenshot of this page. Okay student, so I will meet you in your next class. Till then, thank you and have a good day.